I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fat loss coffee. First, start with a freshly brewed cup of your favorite coffee, about 8 to 12 ounces. This serves as the base for our energizing and metabolism-boosting drink. The goal is to transform your morning ritual into a powerful tool for supporting your wellness journey. We'll be adding specific fats to enhance its benefits, making it more than just a regular cup of joe. Now, let's talk about the essential additions. You'll want to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of MCT oil, which stands for medium-chain triglycerides. This oil provides quick energy and can help with fat burning. Next, incorporate 1 to 2 tablespoons of grass-fed butter. This adds healthy fats and a creamy texture, contributing to a feeling of fullness that can last for several hours. The key to a perfect fat loss coffee is proper blending. Carefully pour your hot coffee, MCT oil, and grass-fed butter into a high-speed blender. Blend for about 20 to 30 seconds, or until the mixture is smooth, creamy, and frothy, resembling a latte. This emulsification is crucial to prevent the oil from separating and ensures all ingredients are well combined for optimal taste and absorption. Your fat loss coffee is now ready to enjoy. Many people find it best consumed in the morning, often as a replacement for breakfast, due to its satiating properties. Listen to your body and adjust the amounts of MCT oil and butter to find what works best for you. This delicious and energizing drink can be a fantastic addition to a healthy lifestyle, helping you feel focused and satisfied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.